NANATHESAUCYCHEF. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? Nana, she the chef, y'all wanna meet. You wanna meet. Quickie meals, you can all enjoy it home. I can sense that you're hungry, you are not alone. Like, share, and subscribe, don't hold your breath. Stop what you doing, watch Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making chicken and dumplings. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 4 cups of chicken broth, 2 10.5 ounce cans of cream of chicken soup, 1 16.3 ounce can of biscuits. I used the Grand's Southern Home Style biscuits. You want to cut them into fourths. I have 2 medium chicken breasts, which I boiled and shredded, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 medium onion diced, 2 celery stalks diced, 1 cup of frozen peas and carrots, 1/2 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 1 bay leaf, and 1/2 teaspoon of dried parsley flakes for garnish at the end. In a heated Dutch oven or a large pot, you want to add your 2 tablespoons of butter. And we're going to let that melt. You want to have your heat on medium. Your butter has melted, you want to add in your onion and also your celery, and we're going to let that saute for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you want to add in your minced garlic, and we're going to let that saute for 1 minute. For 1 minute, you want to sprinkle in your all-purpose flour. You want to mix it until it's well combined and it's nice and golden. Now we're going to add in our chicken broth. Mix it until it's well combined. You can add in your cream of chicken soup. Mix until well combined. Now you want to let it come to a light simmer. Once it's come to a light simmer, you want to add in your shredded chicken, your thyme, your ground black pepper, and also your bay leaf. You just want to mix it until it's well combined. Okay guys, you can give it a taste. If you need to add any salt to it, you can do it now. Now we're just going to cover it and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Guys, don't forget to stir it in between. Okay guys, after 10 minutes, we're going to remove our lid. And go ahead and mix it. You can add in your frozen peas and carrots. Give that a mix. And now you can add in your biscuits. Once you're done adding your biscuits, you go ahead and put your lid back on top, and we're going to let it cook for an additional 10 minutes. Okay guys, our chicken and dumplings are now done. Okay guys, so here is our chicken and dumplings. So I'm just going to go in just with a pinch of parsley flakes on top, just to add a little bit more color. This is so packed with flavor. You guys are going to enjoy this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?